So, help can be on the way if your iPhones are experiencing issues running iOS 18.3.1. Because thanks to Mac rumors and our typical song and dance with how everything goes when a new release shows up in their logs, we can be expecting 18.3.2 in the very near future, possibly as soon as even this week or next at the latest. Having said that, today is the 10th of March. So I would expect this, if it's going to happen this week, to be probably tomorrow on the 11th, as they have just dropped all of the betas for this week for iOS 18.4. Now, having said that, if it doesn't come out tomorrow, the 17th or 18th is looking good. The 17th is a holiday here in the US, but Apple is not off for St. Patrick's Day, so it could still be dropping next week as well, so keep that in mind. We have actually not seen a 3.2 update in quite a while. So when I say 3.2, I mean 17.3.2, 18.3.2, 16, etc. You get the point there. Now, having said that, in 18.3.1, which is exactly what we're running on our iPhone 16, it has had a number of different intermittent issues, which is so strange. Apple used to be on their game with these releases, but unfortunately, with recent times, they've kind of come and gone, and these issues remain pretty consistent with a lot of their releases. One of the big ones that a lot of people are complaining about online is one we've actually experienced personally too, and that is that Wi-Fi connectivity bug. What I mean by this is basically if you're at any place that you have remembered a Wi-Fi network on, it will not automatically reconnect. So if you leave and come back, it should always want to reconnect, but unfortunately, it is not doing that at all. And this has been a consistent issue. It is not intermittent like some of these other ones we're going to talk about. Hopefully, that'll be resolved in 18.3.2, so you don't have to consistently keep coming in and selecting Wi-Fi to get reconnected if that was something you were experiencing prior. Beyond that, the camera bug where it would not launch, and obviously as you can see here, luckily that launched. Let's use our camera control, and yeah, it's working right now pretty consistently. Let's go ahead and force close it, launch it again, and yeah, we're looking okay right now. We haven't experienced this issue personally too many times, but there has been talks of that freezing and the Photos app also having issues as well, where that would not open up as it should. One other thing we have experienced, unfortunately, is in regards to battery life, where battery has been getting drained pretty substantially and it not actually normalizing after an update as it traditionally should. So that is another fix that we are hoping to see here. And again, this has been inconsistent for us altogether. Now, what you can expect, hopefully, in this next release, as any double dot releases, are more security patches and bug fixes, and specifically bug fixes around cellular connectivity, because we have had a number of issues, and let's just turn Wi-Fi off really quick. Oh yeah, perfect example right here. So you can see we're on 5G. We technically should be on 5G ultra wideband. And what happens is it will not toggle between the two as it traditionally should, or as it even has done in the past. So hopefully that will be corrected in this coming release as well. And actually, let's just take a quick look on our 16 Pro Max here. Let's go ahead and turn Wi-Fi off here. And let's see if it's automatically going to show us. And you can see right there, it connected instantly to 5G ultra capacity. So that was not happening here for some reason. This iPhone is running iOS 18.4 betas. So this is for iOS 18.4 beta 3 that just came out. Keep that in mind. Hopefully this will get resolved in the near future. Comment down below if you have had any of those issues as well. But beyond that, again, no new features are ever expected on a double dot release, always security and bug fixes. Let us know in the comments down below. Just a quick video for you guys. What are you looking forward to and hoping to get fixed from your other iPhones? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.